This is Flira, an interactive installation that explores a new form of connection using EEG technology. Here, it's not first impressions that matter, but what's happening inside our minds. Participants are matched based solely on their brain activity, without bias, without words. To begin, visitors put on an EEG headset and go through a short introduction explaining the idea behind Flira. Next, they create a personal profile, including their name, a photo, and an optional way to be contacted. Then comes the core of the experience. 3 personal questions are presented, but they're not answered aloud. Instead, participants respond silently, in their minds. They read the question and vividly imagine their answer. While they do, the EEG records their brain activity. These signals are then compared to the data collected from other participants, focusing on patterns across alpha, beta, gamma, and theta waves. Flira analyzes this information to calculate the most compatible match, which is immediately displayed on the end screen. But that's not where Flira ends. As more people take part throughout the day, the dataset grows, and even better matches may emerge. That's where the second screen comes in, a dynamic match board that refreshes every few minutes, showing the strongest connections of the day. It adds a playful twist and gives people a reason to come back. Flira is an experiment at the intersection of neuroscience, intimacy, and play, and a glimpse into a future where thinking becomes its own language.